Today we are going to show you step by step how to draw lavender. Hi and welcome back. For this DIY, you're going to need a black fine liner, some purple, pink, and green markers, and all of these are going to be listed below in our Amazon shop. First, draw your pot, and if you're going to be using your bullet journal or dotted grid notebook, just use the dots as a guide and get it as symmetrical as you can, but doesn't really need to be perfect. Next, with a light purple, start putting in some lavender leaves. This is just kind of a whimsical drawing, so nothing really needs to be exact here, just laying down some color. With your black fine liner, go over the purple parts and draw in some stems. Now draw in some lavender buds, and if you think of these as little hearts that are clumped together, that's going to help you out. And just draw them randomly here and there. Add some more stems. And then go in with a darker purple to make the little buds stand out some more. Next, with your green marker, go over the stems to add in some color. And lastly, color in some shadows on your pot. And you're done! Thanks for watching! See you next time!